So Mission Para Cristo, we do a lot. But our big things are, our core is the church, and everything we do extends from the church.
The women of Nicaragua, specifically in our area, in Jinotega, have got an abnormally high rate of lung cancer. And that's due to the fact that they're cooking over a stove that is not vented, that is inside their home. And so all day, every day, they're inhaling that smoke, and that smoke gets in their lungs and causes severe respiratory issues. Also, the stoves are not extremely efficient at burning wood and creating a heat source. So they spend a lot of money on wood to create heat that they're not efficiently capturing to cook their food. In talking to Tim Kennedy about this, he felt like his students could design a solution for that that would not only vent the smoke outside the home, but would be a more efficient model of stove for these ladies to cook with.
So we are working with Mission Para Cristo and some people who live on an old landfill. So the landfill is no longer active there, it's moved up the hill further. People that are living out there are currently cooking just over open fires in their homes, which causes a great incidence of lung cancer around the world. And so our students went and researched and have selected a design of a Justa stove, which is a more clean burning stove that also has a chimney that vents to the atmosphere. So it will reduce less wood, it will reduce the amount of wood that people need, as well as reduce the amount of particulate matter and smoke inside of their home, thus hopefully reducing the amount of lung cancer incidences.
Basically, you have a brick body. Inside the brick body, you have a combustion chamber made out of a ceramic tile. And then around the combustion chamber, you have an insulator, which is typically wood ash or volcanic rock in these regions. And in the combustion chamber is where the wood burns. And because it's ceramic, it's very good at resisting heat. So all the heat is directed along the path of the combustion chamber, which is how we focus it into one point.
It has been really good. Like, I got to know things I didn't know. Aside from welding, I knew things related to construction, like the gravel, the sand, the cement, but I didn't know like the ratio of mixing them. So I got to learn those from Miguel, Julio, and all those people there.
Working with and for the people of the community, I have enjoyed being here. I have experienced a sense of servitude with the people, for the people. Kids are awesome. They're always waiting by the doors to seeing when the van is coming up the hill. Been getting to learn the kids' names and just playing with them sometimes whenever we have off time, like lunch break. They're always energetic and very, very joyful, it appears to be. And that's awesome. And it seems to be a commonality amongst the people.
Yeah, it's been very rewarding. One of the reasons I've been wanting to get into engineering is to be able to see something that I designed actually be implemented and see how it impacts people and helps them. So being able to actually help work on it and see it firsthand has been really rewarding.
I think it's good to see something different in life and help you realize what the world looks like and not just what our ACU bubble looks like. It's a good bubble to be in, but I just would encourage anyone out there just to come out and see people. If you have the opportunity to do something like WHAM, to come out and see the world and understand what's going on and just see that it's different, but it's not bad, and there's a lot of good in the world.
If you're interested in serving in a WHAM partnership, go talk to somebody at the Halpert Center. Go talk to Dodd. Find out what opportunities are available. It will make you a better person. It will allow you to minister to people that you may never have the opportunity to minister to again. This could be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and it will change you. It will tie into whatever you do professionally after you graduate, but it will grow you as a person in ways that you could not even imagine. And so I would encourage anybody who's interested in serving. Go talk to someone at the Halpert Center, find out what opportunities are available, and get involved. Get plugged in before you get out into your career. Do it now while you're in college, while you have the opportunity.